comment, please subscribe and notified to stay up to date. I just took this 3-valve Mustang on a test drive. I'm going to show you everything under the hood. I'm hoping it's going to crack the 500 rural horsepower mark. Let's go get on the drums. All right, before I pull this in, I got some good lighting out here. I want to show you what we have under the hood. So this is our Paxton Throwback package. It's non-intercooled. We have Detroit rocker cams, we have headers, and we just installed the Ford Performance manifold and the Ford Performance throttle body. So it's a really sick setup on this car, manual training car, 93 octane. Probably one of the most popular 3-valve Mustang Supercharger package we have to offer. I'm pretty pumped. I'll get on the drum, see what's gonna lay down. So I think right now I'm just gonna get in the car, we're gonna pull it in, make a pull, see what it makes. Love these numbers. Manual training car, 93 octane, stock engine with pretty much all the bolt-ons in our throwback package, 513 rural horsepower SAE, 420 torque. Another cool 3-valve that's going to be fast on the street. This client's going to be very happy with it. If you have a question about this, leave a comment, happy to answer. And don't forget, like I said in the description, I'll have links to everything that's on this car, as well as a link to how you get a quote on something like this being built here at Brenspeed, which is just emailing quote@brenspeed.com. Thanks for watching.